7b97z66b Fermi polar quantum matter formula part 5. Light P wave 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And this is KRB fermionic molecules, P wave, light, Higgs electric field, bendable metals, UFO space communications laser beam formula found in line 22 Wow data part 5 of 23. September 19, 2013. Today's October 20th. We were looking at atomic pulse equations and we got a lot of stuff that came up. So the previous video is the exact same title. The only difference is it's part 4 Thomas Young. So every video will have the same line number and up to here. And then it has the part number and then it tells you the topic of what's being covered in that video. Okay. I wanted to keep them all together because they are all together. So quote PDF file results on a blog, optical dipole force on ladder-like 3-level atomic systems driven by chirped fused cycle pulse laser fields. Name of our scientist, June 2012. The link is arxiv.org. The formula from the data continues to optical dipole force. I googled it. Ultra-cold KRB molecules, a new form of quantum matter. And I think this is quotes from a blog. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Forgot to add that. We got two different quotes from two different blogs here. So reduce the spatial dimensions. It shows a dipole moment, molecules, and 2D traps. The team also tried a strategy for increasing the reaction rates of the KRB molecules, applying a modest electric field. In the electric field, the original P wave barrier for the fermionic molecules is strongly modified, allowing the two-body reaction rate to rise very steeply as a function of the E field. If our goal is to cool the gas of KRB molecules down to the temperature where all their quantum states occupy the lowest possible energy levels, a state known as quantum degeneracy, then we have to reduce the rate for these lossy collisions. Following suggestions by theorists, our team squeezed the KRB molecules into a two-dimensional pancake trap. The trap forced the molecules to line up side by side with identical ends of the molecules next to each other. This configuration mostly prevents the molecules from aligning head to tail, which enhances chemical reactions because opposite ends of dipoles attract one another. We also made sure the KRB molecules were in the same quantum state. Then they turned on an electric field to increase the repulsion between the side-to-side molecules. The whole process has allowed the molecular reaction rate to remain modestly low even under large electric fields. And that's from gila.colorado.edu. October 5th, my thoughts. The rest of the data from this blog post continues in the next several videos. I had to break it down because of the amount of formulas coming out of it. So the formula from the data is molecules, 2D traps, increasing reaction rates, KRB molecules, apply Higgs electric field. Inside Higgs electric field, original P wave barrier, I'm going to Google that. The keyword P wave barrier. Quote from Wiki. P waves are a type of elastic wave called seismic waves in seismology that can travel through a continuum. The continuum is made up of gases as sound waves, liquids or solids including the Earth. The formula from the data is going to continue in the next video. Thanks for watching.